The thing was, when this first happened to me years ago, I had like a small feeling, because I knew chronic fatigue syndrome, I knew ME, and I kind of had this small feeling that it's not chronic. There is a way out of this, but a million times over during these years, I thought to myself, this is it. I've crashed permanently now. I'm never going to get out of this. So those things came up, even though I had that little belief, it's not chronic, there's a way out. There was a lot of that thinking that this is it. I've ruined it now. Yeah. So I think to get over it, I think it's just to see the small results on the journey. Just to see that I didn't end up there. I was convinced that I'll never get out of this room now because I needed to rest in darkness and complete silence. But I did come out of that room again and again. And, you know, eventually I didn't have to rest in that way. And I think it's just a matter of the progression and seeing the changes and then starting to believe that there really is a way out. Really. Yeah.
And I would just add to that, I think the accountability, like being in the group and sharing your win every single week. Like imagine if you didn't have that, you know, and seeing other people do really cool stuff and you go, oh, well, that's just proof right there, you know, and just surrounding yourself in that proximity of power, I think is just another thing that, again, just helps everyone, but helped you specifically as well, you know, through that journey.
Absolutely. The relating to each other's stories and the support and just knowing we're on kind of the same journey, even though everyone's journey will look different. So yeah.